Okay. Good day, everyone. So today I will discuss the characteristics of wave. So our objective in this topic, first, define what is wave. Second, differentiate the characteristics of wave. Third, explain the characteristics of wave. So first, what are the characteristics of wave? So wave are disturbances that travel through a fluid medium. So fluid medium, so example ani is kanang mag water, then itap nimo ang water, di ba, na siya makita nga wave nga mudagan. So mo na siya example sa wave. Several common wave characteristics include frequency, period, wavelength, and amplitude. There are two main type of waves. So the transverse wave and longitudinal wave. So what is wave? So in physics, a wave can be thought of as a disturbance or oscillation that travels through space, time, accompanied by a transfer of energy. Wave motion transfers energy from one point to another, often with no permanent displacement of the particles of the medium, that is, with little or no associated mass transport. So, what is frequency? So, frequency is a physics, the number of waves that pass a fixed point in unit time. So, pag mayon ka og frequency is so the number of wave. So also the number of cycles or vibration. So makita man itong wave, di ba, pag ganon-ganon siya, pa ganon-ganon pa wave nga. So undergone during 1 unit of time by a body in periodic motion. So frequency refers to how often something happens, and frequency is a rate of quantity. So example of frequency, like so as you see in your screen, so makita niyo ang example sa frequency. So mao ni siya ang wave cycle. Then next is frequency is 1 pila ka cycle per seconds. So makita man diri pila ka cycle. So 3. So mao na ang makita sa example. So what is period? So a period of a wave is a time for a particle on a medium to make one complete vibrational cycle. So, period, being a time, is measured in units of time such as seconds, hours, days, or years. So mao na ang kwan sa period. So period refers to the time it takes something to happen. Period is a time quantity. So pag moingon ka og period is mag-refer ni siya sa time. So example of period, so mo ni ang example sa period. So as you seen in your screen, so makita man ra nga naay wave, dayon na nakabutang amplitude, time, and period. So ang period is gikan diri sa kaning naay ball padulong aning isa ka pasaka nga wave na. So mao na siya ang period. So ang kanang long travel, murag ang travel niya. So the symbol F is used for frequency and the symbol T is used for period. So this equation are also expressed as, so na siya formula kung para makuha ang example sa if period. So makita rin is sa inyong screen is period is equal to 1 frequency over frequency, frequency over is equal to 1 over period. Ayun. sa isa pod sa kaning isa pod is t is equal to 1f to f is equal to 1t. So mo na ang formula sa period. So what is wavelength? So next is wavelength. So wavelength can be defined as the distance between two successive crests or throw of a wave. It is measured in the direction of wave. Wavelength is inversely proportional to frequency. So this means the longer the wavelength, lower the frequency. So I have an example of a wavelength. So as you see in your screen, so mao ni ang wavelength. So ang kataas-on niya ang kibali ang distance gyapon. So makita man ninyo nga ni wave siya. So from diri gikan nga part padulong diri. So mo na ang distance niya. So the formula in calculating the wavelength, so as you see in your screen, so makita ang formula. So wavelength, so kaning gaana nga porma ang tawag ana just is lambda. So lambda is equal to velocity over frequency. So mo ni siya ang formula if kwaon nimo ang wavelength. So next is what is amplitude? So amplitude is the maximum displacement or distance moved by a point on a vibrating body or wave measured from its equilibrium position. It is equal to 1/2 the length of the vibration path. Is a measure of strength or intensity of the wave. So as you see in your screen, so morning example sa amplitude. So makita dire ang naay wave. So ang amplitude is ang kahabugon sa wave nga ni kuan gikan sa center. So nakita ninyo nga nakita ninyo student. So mo ni siya. So that's all. Thank you.